Solving question number 11. A sledge on a water park ride has a mass of 815 kilograms. So this data has been given to us and it starts its motion from the rest. That is, initial velocity u is equal to 0 and the coefficient of friction between this plane and the sledge surface is given 0.05. Determine the speed of the sledge when it reaches the pool. So you have to find out the final velocity, and the equation of kinematics will be used here, which is v square is equal to, so if I go back, so over here, this is the equation which we are using at that place, and for that we need to find out S1. Remember, this one is given. You have to use right angle triangle to find out what is that hypotenuse length. So can you guys tell me if you have calculated using the angle, and what is S1? S1 is equal to, so let's 39.97. Any other answer? 29.97. So let's keep 29.97, and then in order to find out this A, we need to do the force free body diagram for the forces acting on the sledge. So imagine this is my sledge and this is moving down, and the force of friction is mu n, the weight acting downward, which is mg, and then you have to split this weight into two components. If this angle is 45, this angle should be 45. Why? Let me explain this to you. If you have two lines here, the angle is theta, then the angle between their perpendiculars, this is the perpendicular on this line, this is the perpendicular on this line, angle between their perpendiculars is also theta. So this is one line, so and the perpendicular is this one, the perpendicular on this line is this one, so the same angle you should see on their perpendiculars. So what is this side, W sine or cosine 45? It doesn't matter, both are the same angles, but this is 45 and this is W cosine 45, and the normal reaction is this one. So imagine this is my x. I would take x in the direction of the motion, so this is my x, this is my y. So let's force balance, apply the Newton's second law. All the forces in that direction, x direction, are equal to mass times acceleration. The mass is 815. So what are the forces? One is the mu n, one is the W sine 45, agreed, is equal to mass times acceleration. Now what is n? Force balance in y direction, or you can apply the same formula because it's not moving in vertical direction. So ay is 0, so w is n is positive, w cosine 45 is negative, as I drew n, and this is in positive directions. This is equal to 0. So n is equal to w cosine 45. What do you get for n? Can you tell me if you have solved for n?
Yeah,
5,653. So anyone else? You got the same answer? So we have found another person who's gotten the same answer, so we are happy now. We can plug this in over here. So n is that value has been found, and you can plug it in. What acceleration do you get if you plug that value of n in this equation? Any answer to that? The acceleration which I have in my notes, This is 6.59 meters per second square. You got it? So one student verifies my answer, so this is the correct answer then. And then you plug that answer over here, 6.59, and then 29.95. What do you get for v square or v? Let me answer for the v only. The answer which you should get is 19.78 meters per second. Do you get this answer? Yes, Andrew? You got this answer? Anyone else got this answer?